In this video, we're going to start to look at parallel blocks. What does that mean? Well, let's take a look. So let's first drag a couple objects onto here. If I drag, let's say, create VPC and then create subnet in a VPC. Well, what will happen here is you notice there's a straight line that goes all the way down. And what that means is it's going to actually run these in serial. So that means that it's going to create the VPC first and then create the subnet in a VPC. And that's exactly what you'd want to do in this type of scenario because of the fact that you need to have a VPC before you create a subnet. However, there are some instances where you want to run things in parallel, meaning that you want to run things at the same time. So what I did over here is I dragged a parallel block over onto here now. And if I was to create the VPC and put a subnet here, now what will happen is it'll actually try and do these two things at the same time, which in this scenario wouldn't work out too well. But in other scenarios, you may want to have a branch that you're doing one thing and a branch you're doing another thing, and then you may want to do something after that. So you might want to create an object down here that you want to do something with. So you could say, hey, maybe I need to do option A and then do option B. And then after that, I might have to do something after both those things are done. And that's really how you can use these parallel blocks. And by the way, if you need to add more parallel items, you can just hit the little plus bar or plus icon right here. And you could add another parallel item, and you can continue doing that out. So all these things will run at the same time instead of serially. So that's about it for parallel branches or parallel blocks.